Bangkok, baby. Bangkok, baby. Walking in Bangkok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking in Bangkok. Ooh, through the streets. Meandering in the streets. Ooh, streets of Bangkok. Walking those damn cool streets of Bangkok. Walking, walking, walking. Just walking, walking, walking. Ooh, walking those old beautiful streets of Bangkok.
I'm going to be filming this street right in here. We're just kind of, it's a sunset is going down and we have all these beautiful shop homes. I think a lot of them have jewelry stores. We're going to just capture that and see it all. See? So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, so stay tuned. Up on the map. Whole family right there. We are in Bangkok. And let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in the city. Okay, let's go check out Bangkok as if you're there yourself. Okay, so I got the whole family right there. Oh, they're going to go right into the traffic with all the kids. Wow, okay. Pretty bold. And I guess they're gonna navigate back in. That's good before all the cars come in. Anyways, this is I think there's a lot of jewelry shops over here. It's the basic theme that I'm noticing. And on this side we have different stuff as well with ice cream. Happy New Year right there. It's also Chinese New Year as well. You see this. And yeah, this street there's jewelry, and I saw a lot of silver shops and some gold shops as well. So we'll see what else we can see on this one. Ink tattoo, more silver. Chick Chack, I think that's also a jewelry store as well. So there's a lot of jewelry in this area. And I don't know, these shops are all closed on this side. I'm surprised because we're like, Coastline Road is directly in front of us. Coastline Road is quite famous. So I'm surprised that, oh, here's more silver shops. Jewelry land. Some details as well. Okay. So I guess a lot of people will set up their jewelry businesses in this area. It's pretty common in Asia where, like, if you try to look for something, it'll all be in one area. I'm just going to briefly walk into this. The reason I'm going to go in is there's kind of this labyrinth of all these little alleys everywhere. And you just get a context of what's, one block over, right? And these are a lot of residential, but some of them have some restaurants. I think earlier I walked by and there was some restaurants set up right here, I thought. But maybe it's like something more like the lunchtime crowd. And then if we walked across as well, you'd see the same thing. I might actually do that. So let me walk over there. The traffic is all kind of stopped. Okay, let me see if you can see that. So that's all of our street down that way. I just want to walk in and just show you that on this side too, there's all this kind of cool little, there's some businesses in here and there's lots of residential as well. So I could just as easily film in these back alleys. And there's some guest houses in here. The plaza. Then you can see a whole economy in here of different stuff. Actually, this side is kind of interesting. So the businesses, and then, yeah, actually I'm a little bit tempted to go down and then try to go back. But I think I'm gonna stay faithful to our street because I want to label it accordingly and then document based on streets like this. So we are coming over on this side. Now you can see all the silver shops, gift shops, all kind of based on jewelry, post on silver, more silver. So this street is almost like a silver street. But yeah, some beautiful little shop homes all in this area. And this is where Koh San Road and like basically the downtown original Bangkok is here, and there's temples nearby, so you'll see a lot of foreigners here, and I think a lot of the silver and jewelry is probably for foreigners, maybe even more than it is for locals, possibly. I think there's silver everywhere, so I don't think that a local would come here specifically, but they might, because there's so many. They might be known all over the city. And then again, more of those alleys, so we could go back in there and get into that world again. I'm going to continue on, and right over there is the base of Koh San Road. First time I came here was in 1996, and right up here there used to be a bunch of bookshops. And now they seem like here's a massage. Now they're mostly jewelry. And now you can see the Koh San Road. That's our street, and I want to go over there. Actually, this was all that traffic was completely blocked and unmovable, and now it's going quite fast. But yeah, so this is all Koh San Road down that way. We're gonna tie that into our. Okay, so now we cross the street. This is the street that we were just on. We were just over there. We were just actually over there by that Prime Burger and Silver today, and I was able to cross the street. Waited for that to go by, and then we're gonna tie this into ours. But this is kind of a famous street called Koh San Road, and we're just going to walk briefly into it, combine it with our street, because usually when I film these streets I want to put a little context into them, and the best way to put context is to add the stuff that kind of leads into the streets. Oh, I gotta cut it up. Didn't expect to see a crocodile, live crocodile. Okay, so this is all Koh San Road. I did film this in a separate video. It's actually quite quiet. It can be extremely loud. Doesn't seem to be the case today, at the moment. Okay, we're just gonna meander back to our target street. All these different shops here, laundry shops. These tuk-tuks. There's an alley right over there that goes to Koh San Road. I mean, that kind of okay. Oh, there's a crocodile right there. Saw a crocodile meat, so that's the live one. Huh. Pretty cool. Amazing. Okay, so then we also have all these little alleys back in here. So this was kind of parallel to our street, so you can see how interesting that is. I'll just go in briefly into it. And you got some restaurants. And I did walk through all this earlier. And if you do, it's let me just kind of, you can walk through that little restaurant right there as well even. Just kind of, so that alley just keeps going down, and the further you get down there, though, that's businesses there are. It'll be all residential. That'll go back to our main street right there, and we are just going to this must be her place. Oh. She lives in a loud place. This would be a tough place to live, I would think, as an older person. The alleys are quiet, but this whole area is kind of a party street, so I would imagine there's people probably peeing in here and whatever else. Check it out. Okay. Chang beer, exchange. So this is Koh San Road. We're back to our target street right here. I'm gonna gonna keep on walking down. Yeah, these two chicks, they still wait here. They've been waiting here for, first time I came this area was 1996, and there was no way to get this like a grab taxi and Uber and all those things, so you just had to negotiate every single time, and all those days are gone now. Okay, I've walked down that alley before, but and I believe this is the street that we're on, that one right there. So that's the street that I've been walking down that way, and then I'm going to put the street sign right there. And then we're going to come to an ending up here. You don't like to okay. Check out those, I think that's called Art Deco style, I think. Oh, this is Tanao. So the street we're on is Tanao, not the other street. So we're actually on Tanao Street. Oh, okay. Got a little artist here. I wonder if let me just see if I can get some coins here. So I'll just add some coins to her thing. Alright. So we're on Tanao. So that's the name of the street right there. So Tanao, we have a crossing guard and we have a musician. And we're right by the library as well. And I think we're going to be coming to an end for this particular video. We'll end it there. We'll just look down the street real quick. Public library area. I think I might have even filmed Tanao before. So if I have, I'll put it up on the map exactly where we are. It looks like we have a green light, so I'm gonna end the video. Actually, what I did is I crossed the road, and I'm still on the same road. It's still the Tanao road. But there's a big intersection right there. I just basically ran across it. The Bangkok City Library is there. So I just thought I'd add a little bit more, just because I wanted to give more context to the street. And it looks like we have more of these kind of shop home stuff. Anyways, I thought I'd just add that to the end of the video, so people can see the continuity of the street, and that it has more of these. But this is actually underutilized, or it's all shut down for whatever reason at the moment. But I think at a certain time, I guess that the other one's all like jewelry shops. But you got these little alleys and such. And anyways, another little slice of Bangkok.